back in the Central Mass Final again this year.
Yep.
First, just your thoughts on that. I know that's the goal, to get back and have a chance at the title.
Yeah, well, we've never won it, so yeah, we worked really hard to get here, and it would be a shame if we didn't make it back to the finals like last year. We want to win it all.
Yep. Talk about Shrewsbury today. I know they've given you guys some trouble this year. What makes them such a tough opponent? I mean, I know they got a great goalie. And
they're really big, athletic people. I mean, they're D1, should be a D1 school, so they have those like built people. Their football team's really good. Their goalie is outstanding. Yeah, their coaching is a huge play. You look at the top 4 teams in Central Mass, and all their coaches are good. You know, so that comes into play, definitely. So.
Yeah, Eric, can you talk about being in a low-scoring game for such a long time? And I know the offense is usually a high-scoring one. I don't know how many 2-1 games you've been in at halftime this year.
It was a little rough. First half they possessed the ball more than us, but my defense did a great job of not giving up a lot of shots. I knew second half the offense was going to wake up. Brian and Tyler were going to get some goals, and then other kids stepped up, like Chase, freshman, scored 2 goals.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what did you guys do to kind of break out of that little offensive funk you had? That took you guys a long time to get on the board. And
well, me and Ty usually step on the field thinking we got to do it all. You know, we're 2 All-Americans, double-time All-American, top scorers on the team, but we forget sometimes that we have 5, 6 other people that are always putting points on the board. So sometimes we go a little too aggressive there, and then we have to think to ourselves, just step back and let them do their work, and they did.
Mm-hmm. Do you guys think knowing that you 2 are All-Americans and stuff, that teams might underestimate kids like Sawyer, Chase,
Absolutely.
Shenna, those guys?
You see it out there today. Yeah. Absolutely. They get these open shots, and they all have rips they can finish. See Chase putting it bottom corner and bringing it around the net, so it's good stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Anything you guys are hoping to improve on going into this final, and what type of mindset are you going to take into the rematch against St. John's?
Yeah, on the defensive end, we need to clear a little better, clean that up. We threw it away a couple times. I threw it away once. It resulted in a goal. So we cleaned that up. Should be in good shape on the defensive side.
Yeah.